Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Telegram topic. And in today's video, I will show you on how to share live video in Telegram app using your camera or screen share. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Telegram app. After you open up your Telegram app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select the contact that you want to share a live video with. Once you select the contact, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this icon right here. And this is going to pump up right here. Then you have the camera from the side right here. Go ahead and hit on camera icon. Then here you go. You can switch from front camera to back camera or from back camera to front camera. For instance, I'm going to switch to front camera right here. Once you switch to front camera, then your face is going to appear right here. Go ahead and click and hold down and start recording. Go ahead, video. Just like so. Then you are done with the video. Once you are done with video, you can enter a caption testing. You can say testing video and hit on send, then send, just like so. Then the video is going to be sent to the contact. Then you have it right. It's that simple. You can record as many as possible video in this category. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Telegram app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.